Hello everyone. Today in this video I will show you how to create a Facebook account without using phone number. First open your Facebook app and tap create a new account. Enter your first name and last name, then tap next. Select your date of birth and tap next. Select your gender and tap next. Facebook asks for a mobile number but tap sign up with email address. Enter your email address and tap next. Create a strong password and tap next. Tap on save. Tap on I agree. Facebook will send a code on your email. Open your email and enter the code and tap next. Your Facebook account is successfully created without a phone number. Like, subscribe and share my video for more tips.